How to fix Facebook notifications not working problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can fix if your Facebook notifications aren't working correctly. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So, in order to try to fix the notifications on Facebook, the very first thing you want to do before you try to do anything else is to simply check your DND or your Do Not Disturb mode. So in order to check it, simply swipe down your quick panel settings right over here, and you would simply basically be able to see the DND or the Do Not Disturb mode is currently turned on. Now I have it currently turned on because I'm screen recording it, so I'm basically leaving it to on. You want to make sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is currently turned off. After you do that, the next thing we are going to make sure is that we have allowed notifications of our Facebook app on our settings. Now in order to check that, you can long press on the Facebook app right over here, go to app info and go to the about page of Facebook right over here. Once you come to this page, right here at the top you'll find a button which says notifications. So tap on notifications right over here, and you want to make sure this top toggle right over here, allow Facebook notifications, is actually turned on, because if this is turned off, obviously you will not receive any notification from Facebook at all. And you could also go ahead and customize any of the notifications which you might actually want to receive right over here, such as friend requests or people you may know, or birthdays or videos or events, any of the notifications which you might actually want to fix on your phone. After you've done all of this, and even if you're still not receiving notifications, now we're going to simply open Facebook. Now once we open Facebook, tap on this menu bar or this three lines icon on the top right. Depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, this option could also vary and be at the bottom right side of the screen. Once you go to this menu line icon, you want to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and again simply select the option called settings. As you tap on settings, right here under the preferences tab, you'll find a button that says notifications under reaction preferences and above the shortcuts tab. So tap on notifications, and right here you want to make sure to customize all of these notifications which you have. So for example, comments, you want to make sure you have actually turned it on, turn the push or email or SMS on. Once you do that, you can also go ahead and select the tags and then go ahead and customize all of the settings. Make sure that none of it is disabled, because if it is disabled, you will obviously not be able to actually receive the notifications on your phone. This was the way to actually fix the Facebook notifications not working problem. We hope one of these solutions might have actually helped you, and if it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.